Hey guys, it's me Dee, and today I'm going to be doing slime pet peeves. And I do not have any slime right now except for this huge bowl of it, because I just did a slime smoothie and I did not film it. I'm very sorry. I did not have my phone at the time, but I will make more slime smoothies in the future. So yeah, you guys can go check out all my other videos. But right now, let's focus on slime pet peeves for this one. I'm going to be filming on my mushroom table that has a bunch of scratches and stuff, because this is my experiment table. Well, mine and my little sister's experiment table. And if you've seen all my other videos, you know I do a lot of crazy stuff with slime and stuff. So I'm going to be filming on here from now on instead of my counter downstairs, because there's a lot of stuff that goes on in downstairs. Like there's noise, and in here it's quiet. Yes, I am in my room, but that is okay. So yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys why I'm filming on this, and yeah. But right now I'm gonna keep it in the bowl. Or maybe I'll take it out to show you guys how much there really is. And it's super heavy. I have to back up for it to fit in the whole screen. Sorry, my remote was in the way. And that is how much slime. And yeah, so the first pet peeve is when you have stiff fingers when you poke the slime. And also, I do not have the supplies with me to make my hands all dirty, so we are not going to do that pet peeve. But we will do a lot of the other ones, so let's get on to it. So, stiff fingers when you poke slime. And I forgot to tell you guys that this will be a very cringy video, like my first video I ever made. But I promise I will be getting better and better every time I vlog. And I do vlog 2 times a week because I do have school now. And on the weekends I will try my best to vlog and make videos as much as I can, because during the weekends we have a lot to do. And then, yeah. So, oops. Sorry guys, I thought I dropped a piece of slime, but I didn't. But here is stiff fingers. I'm sorry I keep interrupting. Okay, and the next day, and I'm sorry, Dare. I've been watching a lot of Dare videos, but the next pet peeve is when is when they the next pet peeve is when there's a lot of noise in the background, or like distractions, and the person gets distracted too much. So yeah. Hang on really quick, guys. Oh, I'm sorry. That is not the next pet peeve. The next pet peeve is when your slime is like sticky. And this is really not sticky slime, but I will try and make it as sticky as I can. So I will be right back. Hey guys, so I am back, and I did make it sticky in my own way, but I cannot tell you how. Sorry, I'm rubbing my eye. Oh, hey, look at that. I got eyelash. Wanna make a wish? Okay. So, here it is. It's stuck to my arm. Why? Just why? It is a struggle to get slime off. My hand's sinking in here. See how sticky this is. Wow. Stuck to my arm. Wow. And I have to tell you guys now. I have to tell you guys now. When I vlog this weekend, when I vlog new videos, they will be in a different place because I am going to my grandparents. So yeah. Wow. Wow, just why? Just why? Sorry about the shadow. That is my phone. I am vlogging with my phone. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, I almost fell off the edge. Okay, so let's see. Stick my hand in once more. Just let it sit there for like 5 seconds. Watch the Stuck my other hand. I'm holding the phone with. Okay. Whole arm going in. Whole arm. Okay. And of course it sticks to my arm. Wow. Get off of me, slime. You guys, it will not come off. Well, I love slime and I love the texture and stuff, but when it sticks, it's just like, to me, when it sticks, it's a pet peeve. When it sticks, it is a pet peeve for me, and I'm sorry I keep putting my hand in the way and trying to get off the slime on my arm. But, yeah. The next pet peeve is when they do not pop the bubbles in the slime. And it's going to be very hard to make bubbles with this slime because it is so giant. But I will try for you guys. Oh, look at there's a bubble right there. Wait, don't pop it, Let me try and put my phone up on its stand. Work. No, wait up 1 second, guys. Maybe I can set it up right here. I'm having a struggles in life. Okay, hopefully that stays. I'm so scared it's not gonna stay. You guys get that? I'm so sorry. Jeez. I'm trying my hardest. It's really hard to film with one hand and make bubbles with the other. But at least, I'm sorry, the container flew everywhere. I'm gonna put it there. But let's see if I can get at least some bubbles out of this. Let's see if I can just do it. Just wait. Let's see, guys. Let's see with a hand. Oh, hey, look at that. It's the struggle. It's the struggle. Let's see. I'm sorry about that pink thing. It is my stand. Oh. I am so very sorry. I don't know how to do stuff. But yeah, that was that. And then the next pet peeve is when you I'm sorry, guys. Oh my gosh, I almost fell off the table. The next pet peeve is when they can't fit the whole slime into the camera and they just go like, or when they don't get good footage and the camera's too close and it doesn't even, like, it just doesn't work. the next I can't even talk today, you guys. The next pet peeve is when you strangle your slime and stuff like that. So here's the next pet peeve. Wait, just before we do that, can I roll this into a ball so you guys can see how big that is? You guys see that? Okay. Or when they like strangle the slime and they're like rough with it and like they try to kill your slime. They try to kill the slime. I'm sorry guys, I dropped you. Okay, so that is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm sorry if it was that cringy, but make sure you guys go check out all my other videos. Like, subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you, and bye!